As we can now see, we're actually starting to put the Series 2 E-Type engine back together now. This is the one that you saw all the crud and fur in the water galleries that we had dipped. We've had all the machining done now, and we're now doing a dry build where we can check that the crank is moving smoothly through every step that we do, making sure that there's no sudden tight pinches as it's turning. And at the moment everything's gone nice. We've just about got the last couple of mains bolts in, all imperative, clean, everything impeccably. Last thing you want is any dirt in any threads, because this could affect your torque wrench setting. Okay, but we haven't put the rear seals on yet because we want to be sure that this crank is moving smoothly. So we will be undoing a part of this again shortly. There again, moving absolutely beautiful, so you can carry on. As you'll probably notice from showing you these rods, we've had everything balanced with the engine, flywheel refaced, gone through every part of the detail. What we're actually doing now is making sure that all of the oil feed and returns are clear. As we can see, that's come through with no muck or debris on, so we're happy that it's all washed and giving full feed. And we will still give it a little blow through, but that's our next stage now. We've tried to close in with a view here. As has already been mentioned in our previous videos, this block has been fully dipped and cleaned, as you saw from the water galleries. We've put this material inside the block, and basically that's there as a protection element, because if you picture your engine sitting through the winter, this is still a steel lump, cast iron lump. It will still get bits of rust gather through the sitting stages for a long period. That's obviously got to go somewhere, so what we do is protect the internal layer. Yes, you'll have some oil coating it, but that has to drop down towards the bottom. Gravity is going to send it back down to the sump. So with this coating on the block, it will eradicate that lining of rust. Jaguar actually did it in their early stages, well, for some years, eventually moving away from it in the more later, shall we say, 80s, late 70s, 80s cars. Obviously it was probably down to a cost thing, but yep, so hopefully that's a bit more information on how this is built.